Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making goat meat nkwobi using fresh goat meat. I've already washed it. So in a pot I now added my onions followed by my pepper, as you can see in this video. Then after that I added seasoning cubes, as you can see in this video, then followed by salt. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And make sure you wash your goat meat with lukewarm water and salt. So after I added my salt, I now had to mix them together. Mix it very well, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my videos. Before I started this video, I've already washed the goat meat, okay? So make sure you wash it very well. So after giving it a good mix, as you can see in this video, I had to cover it so that it will cook a little. I didn't add water before I can now finally add water. It will make it to be more tastier, okay? So now I just added water. I had to cover it so it can cook very well till the water must have dried up. So my goat meat is ready. Then I had to set it aside. Then this is ngo. It is not potash, it is not akam. I don't know the English name. We call it ngo in Igbo. So I had to dissolve it with a clean water. I had to save it and set it aside also. So in a clean pot, I now added my red oil, as you can see in this video, followed by my ngo water in order to form ncha. As you can see, you have to mix it very well. The quantity of ngo and the quantity of red oil depends on the quantity of meat you want to use to prepare your nkwobi. So here I added my red pepper followed by crayfish, as you can see in this video. Then I also added salt, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then I added ehuru. It's a chef bar spice. It contains ehuru, black pepper and all that. So I had to give it a good mix, as you can see in this video. Then I added ogiri. After I added ogiri, I had to mix it very well. Then followed by ukpaka. I had to season the ukpaka so that it will be a bit tasty. So I added ukpaka and gave it a good mix. Then followed by onions, as you can see in this video. Then after I added onions, I had to mix it very well. Then finally, now I added my goat meat, well seasoned goat meat, into the mixture, and I had to mix it very well. You have to mix it very well and check salt to be sure it is tasty. You have to be very careful with salt so that it will not be much and spoil your goat meat nkwobi. So I had to mix it very well. As you can see, it was very tasty, very yummy, like my visitor enjoyed it, okay? So the next one is to add utazi leaf, as you can see in this video. Yeah, you have to add it on top and mix it very well. Some people do not like adding theirs inside, maybe because they don't like it. So when plating, you can sprinkle a lot of it on top of it, okay, and serve to your visitor or enjoy. So as you can see, my goat meat ehuru is ready. As you can see, it was so delicious that my visitor enjoyed it. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye.